Hi, and welcome to this tutorial where we'll discover how our demographics feature works, and we'll touch on how to filter out repetitive feedback, as these two features together make magic. First of all, demographics is an add-on feature available for professional package customers. So if you're interested in enabling this for your account, please contact your HappyOrNot rep or email our support. Demographics data collection lets you have deeper insights into the feedback that the Smiley Touch collects. It matches it with estimated data about the age and gender of the feedback giver. So you're able to tag the demographic data to the feedback and analyze feedback from your desired target audience. It also helps you capture potential new target audiences. You might think how this whole thing works, so let me explain a bit.
Smiley Touch does not collect, store, or send any identifiable images. The AI detects a face and creates a vector based on it. No actual photograph of the feedback giver's face is saved or uploaded anywhere.
The feedback remains completely anonymous. After demographics has been enabled, it's good to make sure the Smiley Touch is optimally located by checking the Smiley Touch camera view. You can do this by touching and holding the top of the screen with 5 fingers for 1 second. Then press the center of the HappyOrNot logo and a keyboard appears. Right preview and press enter. You are now able to test that the camera detects feedback givers' faces and that the lighting of the location is good. Make sure you don't place the Smiley Touch directly under bright lights and that there's no bright light behind where the feedback giver usually stands. Lighting should also be consistent and have no flicker or movement. To turn off the camera view, simply touch the screen or wait for a few minutes for it to automatically turn off. When you're all set, you can start collecting feedback, and demographic data will appear in Analytics in addition to other type of data. Let's see how it looks in Analytics. Go to Details page and select All Demographics filter located at the top of the page. Here you're able to select what age groups and gender you want to include in the results. Categories shown in green are selected and categories shown in black are not. It's good to note that if you're looking at data from an experience group that has different devices like Smiley Touch, Smiley Terminal, and Smiley Digital, feedback that has been given with Smiley Digital or Smiley Terminal don't support the demographics feature, and that feedback will be shown as unknown. Also, if no age or gender can be determined for the feedback giver, their feedback will be listed as unknown. You can easily see at a glance the demographic data your Smiley Touch has collected in the Demographics widget over in Details page. The widget shows data based on what demographic segments you've selected as previously shown. In the All view, you can see the gender as well as age for selected filters. In the Age view, you can see the age estimation of the feedback givers. In the Gender view, you can see how your feedback givers are divided in gender groups. The Demographics widget makes it easy for you to detect specific segments and how happy or unhappy your feedback givers in those segments are, and then dig deeper into the reasons why, when, and where by, for example, using the hourly or weekly distribution widgets. It's possible to export these charts shown in the Demographics widget by going to Export and selecting Charts as Images, Preferred File Type, and selecting Demographics. If you have a Smiley Touch device that supports the camera functionality, you can use Filter Out Repetitive Feedback feature to screen out feedback from customers that return to give feedback again within a 15-minute time frame. This data never even gets to Analytics, meaning it will keep your reports accurate. If you would like to enable the Filter Out Repetitive Feedback feature, please contact your HappyOrNot rep or email our support. When you combine our repetitive feedback filtering with demographics, you can very effectively filter out unknown and selected age groups such as kids. This allows you to get even more detailed and specified data from your target audiences to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching.